I'm spinning back. I'm spinning back, bro. I'm shooting that whole corner up, bro. If I see a cop, bro, I'm shooting it up.
Oh yeah, one right here. Coming down. Somebody. Yo, let's get some business.
Pop that car. Bend that car up. Bend that car up.
What's the car? I bet you.
Y'all boys dip. Y'all boys dip. Y'all boys dip. We just bounce out real quick and we dip.
Yo, SPW.
Yeah, I'm leaning. Yo, go ahead. Dip. We going. Nah. Why are we going this way? Well, I'm gonna take this way because I'm a thug. If they shoot my car, that's a lawsuit. Never mind, I lied. I'm not lawsuiting my own police.